Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Louis. Welcome. Hey, Solomon. Welcome. Guys, sorry for the delay. I had to reload Trade Station here, but we'll get started here. Still waiting for everything to pull up here. All right. We do have a lot of information to go over. Equities did really good today. And also Forex. Forex did really good today. So we'll go over the markets shortly here. All right. Okay. Let's see here. All right. Yeah. Still pulling up. All right. So as soon as the windows open up here, we'll get started. Um, the VIX came down even lower. All right, the VIX came down. The VIX, I believe, is below 14 now. All right, which is really good. The Dow was up slightly. All right, only 10 points slightly. The Nasdaq continues to do really well. So Nasdaq was up really well. S&P slightly up, and the Russell was up about 2%. All right, so um, markets are holding. All right, all right. So as soon as everything come up, we'll get started here. We'll go through equities first, okay, and then we'll finish with Forex. I have a lot of screens here, guys. We added quite a few stocks last night too. So we want to go through we have so many stocks in Stock Boss and Heat Seeker. We can't go through all of those. So we'll take a look at the stocks that perform really well today. And then we'll take a look at we'll go through all of the stocks just to make sure we don't have any sales signals. But again, we'll focus on the top performing stocks. The top one that we'll go over is MV. All right, MVIS. Right, we'll go over that. We'll look at the chart. That was up 33% for today. All right, which is good. That's for stocks. That's really good. That's in Stock Boss. QBTS was another one, 27% up for the day. All right. And RGT was 22%. All right. Hey, Mary, welcome, Mary. Welcome, Mary. All right. So we're just waiting for a few more of these windows here to open up, and then we'll get started with Bullmaster GTLB. Closed at 31%. All right. And so we'll go through just the top performers in just a minute. All right. I think that's it there. Okay. Awesome. Okay. So I want to show you guys this here. Right here. Here's the VIX. The VIX is at 1396, guys. So broke below 14. All right. So We'll take anything under 20. 20 is sitting right here. That's 13. That's great. If that can move lower, we do have a sell short signal right here. So we'll take that. All right. Dow is moving a bit higher, holding. Here's the Nasdaq. Here's the S&P, and then here's the Russell here. Nice big move in the Russell today. Okay. Um, we'll see what the sectors still they're holding. All right. We do need more buy-in to come into all of the sectors. Okay. But let's go right here. And we'll take a look at the stocks that are in Stock Boss. Okay. All right. And we'll look for all right. So these are the top trades, right, for the day in Stock Boss. MVIS. Look at that, guys. Right. MVIS. Look at that move here. A buy signal was at 270, 78 when we got in. All right. This was back in what? In May. All right. May the 15th. Right. Was the buy signal. And look at this. Nice big move up 33% today. The next biggest mover. And we might post this. We might send this out to everyone so that you guys can see that. QBTS. Right. Another big mover for the day, up 27%. RGT. all right, 22%. DHC, right, big move here, 20%. And then all of these are 10%, 9%. So big update. A lot of green update today. Okay. But let's go through. I want to run through each. I want to see if we have any changes, if we need to make any changes to the pairs. If you guys look to the right here, if your chart, I just want you guys to pay attention to the price action. All right. They're really moving. Hey, Gerald. Welcome, Gerald. All right. So as we go through this, keep an eye here. These stocks are moving. All right. We've been talking about this, so this should not be a surprise. All right. Look at this. All of these are breaking out. All right. Breaking out. What we're looking for are white candles. See here, these are breaking out. White candles, all right, or red candles or sell signals to get out. All right. All of these are holding really good. We're just looking for the ones. Look at this one breaking out here. All right. Very good day. All green candles. All right. The market wasn't this one here, Riot. Was it Riot? Let's see here. Not Riot. YMAB, right? This was a concern. White candles, but look here, we got green candles coming in. So that's not a concern anymore. All right. All right. Riot, we want to close Riot. Okay. So if anyone is in Riot, broke support today. All right, give a sell signal. We need to be out of Riot. Okay, RIOT. So close that trade. We need to be out. A profitable trade though. Buy signal was at 776. All right, closed at today at 10.12, $10.12. So not a bad trade. All right, but we need to be out of it. All right, let's keep going. We will look for new opportunities this evening. Or green candles. This one here, Live. All right, Live had some white candles here, right? Buyers came back in. We've got green candles here, so we're recapturing previous resistance. Okay, so that's good to hold. Keep an eye on SPPI, right? In Stock Boss, we got purple support and resistance, white candles here, guys. Okay, so keep an eye on it. All right, hopefully we can get buyers to come back in. We do have, it says here, new down. So we need that to say up right here. Okay, so just keep an eye on it. Right, so that's everything in stock boss. So we only had to remove one. Not bad, right? Out of all of these stocks, only one. Let's take a look at Bullmaster. All right, the stocks in Bull. Now remember, stock boss stocks that are under $10, Bullmaster over $10, right? Okay. All right. So in Bullmaster, GTLB, all right, is the largest mover for the day or biggest mover. That gapped up today, guys. Gapped up 31%. All right. And that's really good for stocks. UPST was the next one at 10%. All the rest here are below 10%, but still good. Look at this. All green, all green. Look at this. All of these were green. All right. So about, I would say, a good 90% of these stocks were all up today. Okay. And, the market wasn't up by a great deal. So really good price action for the market being up slightly. Okay. Let's go through these and we're looking to see if we need to change anything. All right. These are holding, moving higher. Look at this. Good price action, guys. And hopefully you guys are taking advantage of these moves. That and with the VIX down below 14, 1396, I believe we said, you will see stocks continue to move higher. Really good price action. Nothing to change yet. All right. Red candles. Don't even have white candles. All green candles. Really good. Lots of good buying. All right. This one here, SWTX. Let's take a look at this. We might want to. All right. I mean, it's still holding here, guys. It's still holding. We'll keep it for now. Hopefully, we can get some green candles to come in. Markets is strong, so that hopefully it gets a lift. But we'll keep an eye on it. It's got a new down there. That's red there. So we'll keep an eye on it. All right. Team looking good. All of these are moving higher. These were down for the day here, but still holding. Down for the day, but still holding. All right. Keep an eye on ZNTL. ZNTL. You got really good resistance right here. Right here. All right. And it's struggling to break through resistance here. So we need buyers to come in, push higher. White candles. Not a major concern. Just keep an eye on it if you're trading it. FSLR, we need to close that trade. All right. So red candle here. All right. It's at support. Okay. So if anyone is in it, close it, get out of it. So we'll remove it here. FSLR. FSLR. All right. And then, oh my goodness, NVCR, right? Big candle came in, gap down, all right, give a sell signal here, all right, at 67, but it closed at 47. Okay, so if anyone is in this, definitely get out of this one. A lot of selling came out of nowhere on this one here. Okay, so NVCR, all right, so. Hopefully we didn't have anyone in this one. Really collapsed today. Okay. All right. So let's look at opportunities. All right. And then we'll go over Forex. US 30, nothing in US 30. Okay. There was a sell short signal. We didn't send alerts out on that one. We really shouldn't be trading short on the US 30. Okay. So just wait for long positions. Okay. Long positions. All right. I want to go right to Stock Boss and we'll look for picks. Let's run this. Let's see how many we've got. 125 symbols, guys. 125 symbols in Stock Boss. All right. That's a lot. All right. So we're going to go through this quickly. We have a lot of symbols. Okay. So we're looking for buy signals, new buy signals on the day. All right. New buy signals for the day. Well, Stock Boss traders, you want to do this. Normally say once a day, but with the markets, right? Moving the way it's moving, you might want to do twice a day. All right. So that you can get on top of these trades. All right. Now is the time we should be trading equities. All right. Now is the time we should be trading equities. All right. Let's go through these. Looking for new buy signals. All right. Very choppy here. All right. AKTS. Good buy signal, but markdown phase, very choppy. We need clean markdown phase, okay? All right, 1 second here. All right. All right. Alto, we're already in this one here. All right, not bad. All right. Descent markdown phase. All right. AMPS. We're not in this one. AMPS. All right. Breaking resistance here. Buy signal. We'll add that. AMPS. That's in Stock Boss. All right. I'm going to try to go through these quickly, guys. All right. Look at these moves. All right. Hey, Tylak. Welcome, Tylak. Welcome.
Hi, David. Thank you.
Hello. All right. AMWL. AMWL. All right. Good markdown phase. All right. This is in Stock Box. Good buy signal right here. All right. Hey, Betty. Welcome at 261. All right. So we're going to add that to Stock Boss. All right. So many stocks. All right, Big C, we're in. We have to get to the point here, guys, where we have to find the best ones. Just too many, right? That scan was for 125. So a lot. Everything is moving. CMAX, we're in that one. CMRX. All right, let's add this one here. CMRX. All right, in Stock Boss. All right, let's keep going. New buy signals on the day. All right. Good one here. EHTH. All right. Nice markdown phase, buy signal right here. All right. All right. Another one here. ERAS. Remember, our picks, guys, those picks we went through, but 90% of those stocks were up today. All right. So, and remember, the VIX is at 13 and change. So that's good. All right. So we don't have to be totally cautious. We want to make sure that our markdown phase, right? We have a clean markdown phase, all right, and a good buy signal. All right. You don't have to be concerned with the sector. All right. Right. Most of these stocks are moving, so you don't have to be concerned with the sector. All right. That's gone. And there's no guarantee that your stock will move, but most of these are moving. And you can get multiple positions, okay? But don't overtrade. We're in this one. All right, we'll add this one. GM, GP, GP, MT. All right, nice markdown phase, buy signal right here, guys. Buy signal right there. We're in that one. We're in that one. All right, JMIA. JMIA. Again, stock boss. It's gone. Look at this one here. Okay, KOD, I'm sorry, KOD in stock boss. All right, nice markdown phase. This stock fell from $130, guys, right there. 130, consolidated for a bit, all right, and broke out. Buy signal came in at 649. It's at 920.24. Still good. Look at this, right? Still good to get in. All right, fell from 130. Really good risk reward. Okay, so that's KOD. Let's keep going. So many stocks. LC, we're in this one. So we are in several of these stocks already. Okay, so we're just looking for new opportunities. Look at we're in this one here. MVLA, that's moving up nicely every day. That's moving up nicely there. All right, we'll add this NR, not a great markdown phase, but still fairly good. NRGV, all right, in stock boss. All right, that's a V. NU, we're in NU. All right. All right. OABI, OABI. Make sure we're not in it. All right, we're not in it. OABI. I hope you guys are taking advantage of some of these trades. We're in this one. That's gone. We're in this one. That's gone. SELB, we got in that yesterday. SOFI, I think we're in that one already. Yep, we're in that one. Good one going there. All right, STEM, I don't think we're in this one. Okay, so we're going to add good markdown phase here. Buy signal came in today. STEM in stock boss. Guys, we have 11 stocks already in stock boss. Amazing. Good buy signal here. Not a very good shot. We don't have a markdown phase. Very choppy. A lot of consolidation. We can't do anything with this. All right, we're in this one. We're in this one. All right. VTEX. So VTEX in stock boss. Good markdown phase, guys. Look at this. Good markdown phase. Fell from about, what's that? Fell from about 32, right? Good markdown phase, right? Long consolidation, all right? And we've got a buy signal here, but it's breaking resistance here at 439, all right? So we'll add that in stock boss. XFOR, we're in that one. Look at this trade going, guys. Look at this one here. We got in here at 104. It's at 219. XFOR, and it can move much higher. Can move much higher there. All right. It fell from what, $9. All right. This is a good trade. All right. Not perfect. Good markdown phase, right? Here was the first trade. Buy signal was at 514. Give a sell signal at 830. Guess what? We've got another buy signal here. All right. So we'll add this one here. All right. I know it's high in the markup phase, but the market's whole, it can continue to move higher. YEXT right here. Okay. And the last one here, nothing here. All right. So, but 13 opportunities in stock boss, new trade, new opportunities. Okay. Let's take a look at Bullmaster. I'm trying to go through these quickly. All right. Because we have so many. All right. All right. Let's run it, get a fresh scan here. 167 guys in stock boss. Tylac, who else? Lewis. When was the last time you guys saw that many? 167 stocks in Bullmaster. I think it's been perhaps several years since we've had that many. All right, so let's go through these. There's something definitely happening. Now remember, we have buy signals. So this isn't happening by accident. We have buy signals. Don't forget, we have a buy signal on the weekly time frame on the NASDAQ. VIX is down. VIX is at 13 and change. Buy signal on the weekly on the NASDAQ. Buy signal on the weekly on the S&P. All right. So that's why these stocks are moving. Okay. All right. Bullmaster. And we do have to spend some time on Forex. So we have to get through these. Nice clean buy signal here, choppy in here. All right. I think we can find better opportunities there. Okay, let's keep going. New buy signals on the day. This one gapped up. All right. Bullmaster, we'll add this one here. BFH in Bullmaster. And we'll send those out later. Buy signal is right here. All right. Nice markdown phase here. A bit of consolidation, but a decent opportunity there. Gone. All right. BKU. All right. A decent markdown phase, but look at this here, guys. We have a big candle. Big buyers came in today. Buy signal came in on the day today. Okay. All right. So BKU, Bullmaster. That's gone. Very choppy in here. We'll let it go. All right, COLB, buy signal came in today, guys. Big candle here, buy signal, decent markdown phase. You might get some resistance around 29, okay? But it could move higher, all right? Just if you get in, just keep an eye on this area in here, all right? But we'll add it, COLB, all right? If you guys have any questions on any of these, let me know. These are gone. That's gone. All right. All right. Nice markdown phase. This fell from about, what's that? 300. Trading at 59 right now. Buy signal came in today. Nice markdown phase. All right. Look at this. All right. Good support down here. So good protection at 48. All right. And that symbol is DOCU. All right. That's a good setup there. Look at risk reward. 59. Right. Fell from 300. Gone. All right. FIVN, right, in Bullmaster. All right. Fell from, what's that, 209, trading at 72. Buy signal came in here. A bit of consolidation in here, but looks good. Okay. We're in this one. We're in this one. We're in this one, guys. Look at this one. Our buy signal was 35, gapped up today, 46. All right, we're in this one already. Very choppy. Oh, very choppy. Good buy signal, but look at this. A lot of consolidation, guys. That. I thought we were in this one. KR. Yes, KREF. We're in this one. All right. LMND. LMND. All right. Nice markdown phase. All right. Look at this. All right. Fell from what? 113. All right. Buy signal came in here at, what's that? 15. Breaking out now. Still good to get in. All right. It's a few points up, but still good to get in. LMND. We're in this one. We're in this one. That's gone. Mitch. We're in Mitch. All right. Oh, gosh. Look at that. Great buy signal, guys. Really good buy signal. Look at that. That's a good buy signal. Really good price action. Buyers are coming in, but not a very good chart here. Yeah, we'll let this pass. Let it go. Same here. Hold on. Okay. Nope. All right. Path. Let's make sure we're not in it. Yeah, we're in it. Yeah. We're in it. We have a ton of stocks, guys. I know this is tedious, right? But it's what we have to do. All right. We don't get these opportunities every day, guys. Those are gone. All right. SBCF. Buy signal came in here on the day. All right, you got some consolidation up in this area here, but really good buy signal here. We can certainly get up in this area. If it holds, it can continue higher. So SBCF. All right. Now, you can't trade all of these, but track them. This is how we learn. We're in this one. SG. SG. I don't. We're not in this one here. All right. So SG. All right. SG fell from what's that? 53. Not a good risk reward, but not a bad setup here. Buy signal is here and it's breaking through resistance now. So we'll add it. SG. And we're almost done with Bullmaster. Always zoom, right? Zoom out, guys, on your charts to really see the markdown phase. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for a really good markdown phase, okay? Not just your buy signal, but your markdown phase. Team, we're in team. We're in team already. Tesla, we're in Tesla. Look at this. We got in Tesla here at, I think it was 205 or so, 205, 206. It's at 221 already, guys. And look at this, really good price action straight up, okay? And good markdown phase, okay? Almost done there. All right, TWST. All right, TWST. A decent markdown phase. Buy signal came in. Really nice buy signal, right? Broke resistance right here. Big candle came in. TWST right here. That's a biotech. That fell from about, what's that, 120. So good risk reward. Fell from 120, all right, 118, 120 to $16, $17 is where it closed at. Okay, so good buy signal, a good protection, right? You got support right here at about $12 and change. Okay, so good protection. Worst case, gives a sell signal to get out red candle in this area here. Okay. All righty. Okay. All right. We're new. And you moved up already. All right. We'll add this one here. Also, buy signal came in today. Big candle, guys. That's what we want to see. UMBF. UMBF. All right. In Bullmaster. We're in this one. We're in this one. We're in this one. ZI, ZS, we're in. Look at ZS. We're in this one, guys. Look at this. All right. The buy signal was around 119. It's at 152. So these stocks are moving. ZWS. Are we in this one? We're not in this one. All right. So lots of opportunities. We've got about, what's that? About 11 opportunities in Bullmaster. Okay. So you guys, you want to take at least a couple of these trades, especially for our stock boss traders. Bull master traders, there's no reason, guys, why we should not be in some of these trades. Okay, that's why you have your system. So there's no reason why shouldn't be in some of these trades. Okay. Let's see. Forex monster scalper. So let's take a look at trades in monster scalper. All right. We won't spend a lot of time here. Okay. So long, we're looking for long positions. We've sent out positions, new opportunities throughout the day today. So hopefully you guys got a chance to take those. So Aussie yen still holding nice. Buy signal is here, right? That's holding well in monster scalper long. CAD yen, buy signal is here. That's still holding. Aussie dollar, buy signal is here. That's still holding. Aussie dollar. ZAR yen, that's still holding. Buy signal is here. All right. And that's holding. Aussie CAD, all right. Buy signal is here, holding, looking to break resistance. Okay. USDC and H. Keep an eye on this one here. Okay. It's up in that markup phase, right? It's a dollar pair. The dollar pair, they've been selling off a bit. Okay. So just keep an eye on this one here. I don't know if we should have taken this trade, but just keep an eye on it. Okay. If it gives I would say if you're in it, if it gives a white candle, just get out of it. Okay. It's really overbought here. Okay.
Which one was that, David?
USDC and
okay, yeah, I got in that one.
You got in.
Hit the buy signal, and it's not doing much.
No, and if so it's high in that markup phase. It's one we should not have taken. Okay, it's high in the markup phase, and then the dollar. Let's see what the dollar index. I don't get out. If you're in it, don't get out yet, Tylac. Just wait to see. If you get a white candle, I would say get out. Well, the dollar is holding, right? Here's the dollar. The dollar is up right now. Dollar index is up. It's holding right here. It's consolidating. So, but if it gives you the concern with that trade, and I really, after I send that out, I realized that, see the dollar, most of the dollar pairs are going down right here. See that? A lot of them are going down, right? So that's putting pressure. But keep an eye on it. I would say if you get a white candle, you might want to just get out of it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Where were we here? All right. Yeah. So that's USDC and H. Forex is still holding, but not very well. I mean, we can still find some opportunities, but it is slowing down. And what tends to happen is as the equity markets move higher, right? Forex, there's no guarantee that it will happen this time, but it tends to go into a consolidation, right? It's like you can only, the money flows in one market at a time. Sometimes that's what it seems like. Short USD PLN, right? That's still holding its short position. Those are shorts, right? Those are doing well, guys. Okay, so we send those out. Euro ZAR, sell short signal is here. Nice price action. Okay, hopefully you guys shorted those. Pound ZAR, same thing. Sell short signal is here. And then the dollar ZAR, all right, also holding, needs to break support right here to move lower. And the euro pairs, right, we saw some moves to the downside, right, with some of the euro pairs. So euro SGD, that's a new one we sent out. Okay, the concern with this one here is that we're getting near support down here. Support is about right here, all right, and it's right here. It had a good profitable trade right here. This one was for a small loss, but keep an eye. Forex, don't go heavy right now. All right, don't go heavy. Um, all right, so that's Monster Scalper. Now, Forex Dominator doing a much better job holding these trades. Okay, all right. So let's take a look at the trades. See if we need to move anything around. So dollar Swiss, all right, dollar Swiss is holding. Dollar CNH, all right. So you look at that, I like it's holding it well in Forex Dominator. So yeah, just keep an eye on it. It's Forex Dominator daily time frame. It's holding well. It's trading well. Okay, so we might get some follow through. Just keep an eye on it. Okay, USD CZK. All right, that's holding. USD DKK. That's holding here nicely. All right, nice markdown phase. Right, we talk about not having markdown phases right in Forex, but look here. All right, buy signal here. USD SEK, that's holding nicely. USD SGD, that's holding. And then dollar ZAR. Keep an eye on this one because we short in dollar ZAR in Monster Scalper and it's holding long here. So keep an eye on that. Aussie yen, right? Breaking out to the upside. CAD yen holding nicely to the upside markup phase. Swiss yen, right? Buy signal is here. Purple support and resistance. So keep an eye on it. Euro yen, right? Buy signal is here. Again, purple support and resistance there. So keep an eye on it. Pound yen doing really well too. Again, purple support and resistance. Hong Kong HKD, JPY, all right, holding. And SGD, that's your Singapore dollar. That looks really good. All right. You do have some resistance above right here. All right, but that looks good there. And then Aussie New Zealand right here. Euro ZAR, all right, in Forex Dominator. Keep an eye on it. White candles. Pound Swiss, right? Nothing here. Pound Swiss just hasn't moved. All right. Pound SGD, that's moving up nicely. Okay. Aussie Swiss, that's a new buy signal. All right. So if our Forex Dominator trades, if you're looking for a trade, this is not a bad one here. Aussie Swiss. All right. We send that out today. Let's take a look at the shorts. All right. All right. Aussie dollar, close that trade. All right. Green candles here. All right. We don't have a sell short signal. So if anyone is in it, close that trade. All right. Aussie dollar, close that trade. All right. Aussie CAD. All right. Sell short signal is here. You can still hold it, white candles, but if you get a green candle, close that trade. Green candle, sell signal. USD MXN, your Mexican peso, that's holding, breaking support. All right. Euro dollar still holding. Euro HKD still holding. Euro CAD. The euro pairs might break down. They might break down to the downside. Okay. So we've seen signals today. So they might break down to the downside. This one is breaking down to the downside. Okay. So we could see this one break down. This one here break down also. Okay. Pound GBP. All right. Nicely moving down. Sell short signal is here. Broke support. Moving down nicely in the markdown phase. Purple support and resistance. That's what we want to see. All right. Same thing here. Euro Swiss. All right. We got back in, I think, over in this area here. All right. New Zealand dollar holding. And New Zealand CAD holding it short. And then Euro CAD, a new short right here on Euro. Euro Aussie, I'm sorry, Euro Aussie. Sell short signal is here. We just send that out today. Okay. All right. Let's go through. We send out most of the picks that came in today, right? We send out. All right. So most of the picks that came in. So we should not have any alerts, any new alerts. But let's go through these quickly here, and then we'll be done. All right. I just want to run through these just to make sure we haven't missed anything. Did anyone get into Aussie New Zealand? Did anyone get into Aussie New Zealand? We missed this one. Usually, when the pairs make a run, the first one or two pairs we let them go. All right, you know the leaders. We usually don't. We wait for the leaders to kind of take off, and then so this one here we missed. But let's see here. Aussie dollar we should be in that one. Aussie CAD, we should be in Aussie CAD. Aussie Aussie Swiss. I don't think we're in Aussie Swiss. Okay, but New Zealand, the New Zealand pairs could follow. Right, the Aussie pairs and the New Zealand pairs tend to run together. Okay, so keep an eye on new buy signals, right, on Aussie Swiss and Aussie dollar. Okay, New Zealand CAD still has a long way to go. Okay, let's make sure here we're not missing anything. I don't think we have anything here. Keep an eye on New Zealand yen for buy signal. We win CAD yen and win Aussie yen already. Nothing here. Be careful with the dollar pairs. All right. Pound pairs. We don't have anything yet in the pound pairs, long or short. Okay. All right. All right, they're all over the place. We do have a short here. All right, so we have a leader here, two here. So we might see if we get some more short signals, we might start taking those. We do have that pound ZAR, right? Pound ZAR short. Okay, this one we're in. Okay, all right. Forex dominator. Quickly. We're in this one. This was a new one today. Aussie, New Zealand. Hold on. Yeah, Aussie, New Zealand. We're in. Aussie, Swiss. Aussie, Swiss. We're in. All right. And you know, with when a lot of pairs, I'll show you guys here. In Forex Dominator, these are all the longs here. So these are all the longs right here in Forex Dominator. So quite a bit. Most of the dollar pairs, yen pairs, right? These are mixed, and then shorts. Okay, these are all the shorts in Forex Dominator. So Forex is moving, right? It is moving. If you guys look here, so if you guys look here, Monster Scalper, all right, we still have a lot of pairs over 20. All right, these are consolidating down here, but Forex is still healthy. All right, if we start getting like these pairs here start getting below 20, then that's a concern. All right, it is moving higher, but still not bad. And then same thing for our Forex Dominator. We still have a lot of pairs that above 20 getting into that markup phase. And you know, there's some consolidating down here, but again, the majority are over 20. Okay. All right. A couple more things and we'll be done. A couple more things. But the focus should be equities. Um, US 30, don't do anything. Don't do any shorts with the US 30. There was a short signal that came in. All right. The short signal came in. Today we've turned off the shorts because we don't want to take any shorts, guys. So our US 30 traders, don't take any shorts. Wait for that next buy. Those of you who missed, all right, here was that short sell short trade, right? We didn't call that. So don't take any shorts. All right. The trend right now is up. Markets are moving higher. Okay. So those of you who missed this trade here, this was a great trade, guys. This was a great trade. All right. Didn't cut this trade. He did really well. He got all of it. So those of you who missed that trade, right? Just wait patiently for the next buy signal. The goal is on the daily time frame is we get back to resistance. All right, back to resistance, and the buyers are holding. All right, so when we get another buy signal, it's consolidating right now, right? Get a buy signal. That should be a decent opportunity. Okay, we always have protection, so you guys know that, right? So red candles, get out. If it fails, sell signal by the system, get out if it fails. But definitely pay attention to your systems. Okay, and this could be a good trade. All right, this could be a good trade. Usually after a really good trade like this, they'll have some consolidation, like this one here. If you look here, bought here, sold here, consolidated. Buyers came back in, sold here, consolidating again. Okay, but right now it's trading near that resistance here, so could get a buy signal there. Futures, let's see here. Still holding long. That cattle trade is really doing well. All right, so that cattle trade, look at that, guys. Look at that live cattle trade. All right, in Monster Futures, look at that. Buy signal was here. Look at this, straight up, guys. Okay, and then the S&P, another trade we got going, but it's taking its time. But it's holding, and hopefully it will move higher. So, but that live cattle trade is doing well. We talked about the VIX, right? There is a short going on in the VIX. It's too late to get on that short on the VIX. Where is it? Monster Futures right here. All right. Hold on. All right. Where is it? Oh, short here. The VIX short. All right. Let's see here. So there were more yesterday. Yeah. So VIX short right here, but too late to get on the VIX short trade. Our Monster Futures traders. Here's your cattle here. That cattle. Hold on. Wrong chart. All right. Here's the cattle trade here. All right. Cattle and lean law. I think hog was hog. Keep an eye on hog. Lean hog. All right. No movement yet. Okay. Here's your live cattle here. Live cattle. And just keep it on the radar. Crude oil. All right. We're starting to see crude oil come in. We don't have any buy signals yet, but we're starting to see movement. All right. Look, all here, all this right here is crude oil. So we'll tend to see it come in heat seeker, right, prior to the move. Okay. Prior to the move for futures. All right. All right. All right, guys. That's all I've got. I know it's a lot of information, but guess what? Right? That's a good thing. That's what we want. You guys, we've had times where there's nothing to go over, right? Nothing is moving. So at least it's good. Everything is moving, right? Forex is moving, equities are moving, even futures are moving, right? You guys see, with the US 30. And also, not only the US 30, the NAS, right? The NAS 100, that's waiting, right? Look at the two previous trades, guys. Right here, right here, waiting for the next trade. All right. And the S&P, right? Look at the previous trades. All right. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. So two great previous long trades. So things are moving. All right. So just get everything together, right? Get on these trades. Don't go crazy, right? Don't just buy anything. All right. But you guys should be on these trades. Okay. Take care. And I'll see everyone tomorrow. All right. Tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.